In your own.
Thank you very much. A very pleasant morning, ladies and gentlemen. We welcome you to the weekly Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum here at PSC Media Room at the Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. Judy Karingal, on behalf of our PSA President, Francis Ochoa, and Randy Kaluwag, hope that you are with us through our live streaming sa pamagitan po ng PSA Facebook page, likewise on a delayed basis of Radyo Pilipinas Sports Radio. And today we'll be having a two-part session. Salamat sa ating mga partners, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Milo, and Arena Plus. Today, sa first part, we are so honored to have here with us the officials of our Philippine Sports Commission and the host of the forthcoming biggest grassroots development program of the PSC Batang Pinoy. So we would like to welcome, of course, our chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, Chairman Patrick Gregorio.
Thank you.
We have also our Lady Commissioner, Commissioner Bongku. We have our mayor host from the Bacolod City, the host of the forthcoming Batang Pinoy. We have Mayor Greg Gasataya. Good morning. We have also Attorney Rep Monteverde. Okay. And then we have also from the Department of Education, we have Dr. Migo Mantarin. Yes. We have also from the Department of Interior and Local Government, our representative Yusek Rolando C. Puno. And we have also from the City of Bacolod, our Administrator, Attorney Mark Mayo. Yes. And we have, I think all. Okay. Welcome to the PSA Forum, gentlemen and lady. May we have our opening remarks from Chairman Pato Gregorio. Good morning po.
Good morning, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat, sa mga kaibigan natin sa PSA Forum, President Francis Ochoa, Ma'am Judith, sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng PSA. Magandang umaga, isang magandang balita today, ang Batang Pinoy sa Bacolod sa 2026. So gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan yung mga kaibigan natin sa ibang ahensya ng gobyerno na nandito. Unang-una, syempre, ang napakagaling na mayor ng Bacolod, ang ating kaibigan, Mayor Greg Gasataya, palampakan ko lang. Ang kanyang city admin, Attorney Mark Mayo. Attorney, thank you. Lagi nila akong hinuhost sa Bacolod, kaya ngayon, ako naman eh. Diba? Of course, our partners from DepEd, Director Migo Mantarin, Director, nice to see you again. Thank you for joining us. Alam niyo naman po, ang DepEd, talagang, ano na yan, total bonding na namin yan. Wala na kaming ginagawa na hindi namin alam sa bawat isa. May sarili na kaming Viber group eh. The ILG, Yusek Puno, sir, thank you very much for joining us. And of course, Commissioner Bongku, ang Batang Pinoy Project Director for ilang years na ba, ma'am? Second year?
Second year.
Oo. Sabi ni Ma'am Bong sa akin last year, 1 year lang raw siya eh. But I'm happy she's back, di ba? Kasi mas magandang Batang Pinoy ito sa Bacolod for sure. Attorney Red de Monteverde, sir? Oh, okay. Hello,
Yes,
Attorney Red. And then, of course, Chief of Staff Lou J. And again, members of the PSC family. Magandang umaga po. And salamat sa pagdalo.
Yes, magandang umaga. May we have the opening remarks siguro from the good mayor. Mayor Greg, kumusta po?
Mabuti naman, no? Magandang umaga po sa lahat. At kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa PSC, sa leadership ni Chairman Gregorio for allowing us to host this year's Batang Pinoy. No? As we all know, the first Batang Pinoy ginawa sa Bacolod noong 1999. So after so many years, na ibalik din sa Bacolod. So we're all excited and happy to host the Batang Pinoy 2026. Maraming salamat po sa lahat.
Yes. Good morning po mula sa DepEd, Director Migo. Yes, good morning.
Yes, good morning, Chair Pato. Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po for inviting DepEd to this press conference for the Batang Pinoy. later on, we will share our full support for it. But nevertheless, maraming salamat po for all of the coordination that we've been doing. As mentioned by Chair Pato, may Viber group po kami talaga with DepEd. So it's a marriage between the Philippine Sports Commission and DepEd. So we can strengthen the physical competencies and health of our learners.
Yes, salamat po. Good morning po, DILG Yusek Puno.
Good morning everybody, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat kay Chair Pato for inviting the DILG here. Of course to the Mayor of Bacolod who's with us this morning. The DILG basically is here to recommit our support to PSC for the Batang Pinoy program. As you've seen over the past years, the DILG has really committed itself by coordinating with the LGUs to make sure that they are engaged and fully support this program. And just like the DepEd director mentioned, we also will share our support later on through a formal message. Thank you very much.
Yes, salamat din po. Good morning din po, Attorney Mark. Hello po.
Good morning po. Once again, thank you po, Chairman Pato, sa lahat ng taga-PSC. And we're very happy, blessed, and humbled po to be here. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, and good morning, Project Director Commissioner Bong Pu.
Morning everyone, thank you for being here and for supporting Batang Pinoy that will be held in December this year. And I hope you will be with us in Bacolod and let's have a very prosperous and successful Batang Pinoy this year.
Okay, so